Hi everyone, welcome to the Beyond the Books channel. Are you ever in a mood? Today, we're discussing the first book in the Judy Moody series. Judy Moody was in a mood. Not a good mood. A Bad Mood by Megan McDonald. We will learn sparkle words and see how Judy uses her mood meter to handle big emotions. Let's dive in.
Our first sparkle word is grizzly. Have you ever woken up feeling cranky or like a grumpy bear? That's being grizzly. Synonyms include mad and grouchy. Judy starts her day feeling this way sometimes. It's a fun way to say you're in a bad mood, just like a bear woken up too early. But wait, Judy isn't always grizzly. Sometimes she has spunk. Having spunk means you have a lot of courage, spirit, and get up and go. Even if Judy is in a bad mood, she has fire. When you have spunk, you are not afraid to be yourself. Synonyms include brave and energy.
Next up is ordinary. This means something is normal, plain, or just usual. For Judy, ordinary is the enemy of fun. To her, being ordinary is boring and is the enemy of fun. Judy always wants to find a way to stand out. Synonyms are common and usual. To find the extraordinary, you have to examine. This means to look at something very carefully, to learn more about it. Judy doesn't just glance, she looks at the world like a scientist. Judy observes the world closely to find the extraordinary, which means special. She's always checking, studying, and investigating, which are also synonyms of the word examine. This word is a bit yucky. It's disgusting. This is for something that causes a strong feeling of dislike or makes you feel sick. Judy thinks being ordinary is just as bad as something gross. She refuses to be boring. She wants to stand out, because that is what is exciting. Our final sparkle word is rare. Something rare is special, unusual, and hard to find. We previously used the word extraordinary. Extraordinary and rare are synonyms. Judy loves things that are one of a kind. Finding something rare is like finding a four-leaf clover in a field of grass. It's the perfect way to end a journey.
Judy Moody teaches us so much more than just words. We learn how to navigate our feelings, how to turn mistakes into masterpieces, and how to get along with friends and family. The goal is to use these stories to express ourselves every day. Let's learn about them in detail.
Lesson number 1, managing big emotions. It is okay to have a bad mood, but how you handle it matters. Try making your own mood meter at home. Try to identify what makes you feel grizzly, what makes you feel spunky. This is like being a scientist of your own emotions. When you examine them, naming your emotions helps you master them. Let me know how you are feeling currently in the comments. Lesson 2, be a scientist. Judy is a member of the Toad Pea Club and loves medical things. Judy likes to make observations and has a collection. An observation is the active process of using your senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, taste, or scientific tools to carefully watch and record information about the world. A collection is a group of similar items gathered together for hobbies, study, or display. Judy treats her collections, like her Band-Aids, with the seriousness of a scientist. She has a system of classification, where she sorts things into categories like rare, special, or ordinary. You can do this too. What's in your collection? Lesson 3 is all about identity. In the book, Judy's teacher, Mr. Todd, assigns a me collage. The items represents the person's hobbies, friends, pets, and personality. It shows that our interests, our families, and even our mistakes make us unique. If you made a collage, what 5 rare things would you put on it to show who you are? Let me know in the comments what would be in your collage. Now, let's talk about brothers and sisters. Judy and her younger brother, Stink, have a classic love-hate relationship. A love-hate relationship is characterized by fluctuating emotions of deep love or affection, and strong dislike or anger. It takes patience and boundaries to get along. Even when Stink gets on her nerves, they still have moments of cooperation, meaning working together. Do you have a Stink in your life? Is Judy being a good sister when she tries to trick Stink? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments. Our last lesson is resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from a bad experience or stress. When Judy's me collage was ruined, she turned that mistake into a masterpiece. That's called a growth mindset, learning to change plans when things don't go perfectly. So what kind of mood are you in today? Are you grizzly, spunky, or looking to examine something rare? Remember, there's always a sparkle word to describe your journey. Thanks for joining us on Beyond the Books till the end. See you next time, and stay spunky.